Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour and I do videos about photography and about technology, and a lot of people in my comments have been asking what my case solution is for my AD600 Pros. I have a case solution that allows me to carry cords, it allows me to carry batteries, it allows me to carry 3 AD600 Pros, and I'm going to jump into that right now. The case is the Pelican Storm IM2950. I got the one that is black and foam. This particular case has interior dimensions of 29 inches by 18 inches by 10.5 inches. It's all secured by press and pull latches. It's got wheels and it also has a handle, and they're on Amazon right now for $367.95. I want you to know that nothing in this video is sponsored. This is all stuff that I paid for with my own money. I've put it through the trials and tribulations of going to 650 some odd shoots. This case can take it, and I am the guy to dish it out. I have abused this thing tremendously, and it still protects my gear like it did on day one. If you need something that is literally almost bulletproof, waterproof, and will protect your gear, this is it. Right here is my final configuration. I ended up with 3 Godox lights in the case, enough place for cords and chargers, and also enough space for 6 batteries. You can see that I've used black gaffer's tape all over the case, and the reason that I do that is it adds a little bit more rigidity to the foam. I use it to keep all of the layers as one, and I find that on all of the friction points it tends to save my foam over time of lifting the lights in and out of the case or the cords in and out of the case. That's usually what tears up the foam in these cases, so I actually use gaffer's tape any place that I feel like I need to create some rigidity or I want to protect from the friction. And this gaffer's tape goes all the way around from top to bottom. It's one full loop and it comes back on itself. The loops are completed at the bottom of the foam so that there isn't any tape at the top to start peeling away. That's my case solution for my Godox lights. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button for more of this kind of content. And until I see you on the next video, my friend, please protect all that equipment that you paid so much money for and keep it simple.